Hi, I'm Curtis Boyd and we are going to talk about how to get more reviews on Google. In this video, I am going to cover everything from what it means for your business when a customer leaves a review on Google all the way through how you can get more reviews too. The internet has changed how consumers find, research and buy products. Google reviews have become an important part of the online experience for many shoppers, who rely on them to make informed buying decisions. It's more important than ever before to manage your digital reputation by monitoring and responding to both positive or negative feedback about your business. Online reputation management is a practice that has become more and more important in the modern world. Google reviews are an aspect of online reputation management that have become increasingly popular over the past several years, and can be very useful for small businesses if used correctly. There are a lot of moving parts to online reputation management. You have your Google reviews, but you also need to be aware of what is being said about you on Yelp, Facebook and Twitter as well. When you're starting a new business, the last thing on your mind is managing your online reputation. It's not until you get some negative feedback that you realize how important it is to manage what people are saying about your company. A good reputation is important for anyone in business, and it's especially vital if you're going to be selling products or services online. It doesn't matter how great your website looks, if potential customers can't find you through Google, they won't buy from you. Business owners are increasingly turning to online reviews as a way to help them decide where to spend their money. To make the most of this opportunity, it is important that you manage your reputation on review sites. Your reputation is one of your most valuable assets. When you're ready to take control of it, Objection.co can provide the tools and knowledge you need to manage your online presence. Visit Objection.co now to learn more.